Are you a canned fan? Canned foods have more benefits than you might think. Here are 5 reasons to pick them up during your next shopping trip. Canned foods help you meet food group goals while providing just as much nutrition as fresh. Look for choices like canned vegetables, fruits, protein foods, and even dairy products next time you're walking the aisles. Canned fruits and vegetables are picked at peak ripeness and canned within hours of harvest, meaning you have year-round access to nutritious produce. Canned foods are ready when you are and require minimal prep time, helping you get meals on the table in no time. Often more affordable than fresh or frozen, canned foods help you stay on budget. And when it comes to the environment, canned foods shine. The steel can is the most recycled food container, a win for you and the planet. Ready to put canned foods to the test? Let's prepare a delicious turkey bolognese together. I love this dish because pasta is always a family favorite, and leftovers are even more flavorful the following day. Heat up some oil and cook ground turkey and pancetta until browned. Add onion, celery, and garlic, cooking another 5 minutes. Add crushed tomatoes, chicken broth, milk, tomato paste, and 1 bay leaf and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer while stirring occasionally. At the end of cooking, add carrots. Serve sauce over pasta and top with Parmesan and parsley. For the full recipe, visit bigY.com, and until next time, be well.